you have to give more stress on 2 chapters, that is acid base and periodic classification. So I am planning to give more stress on that. And beside this, one more thing I want to tell you that in case of 3rd chapter, that is metals and non-metals, there can be a competition, you can say a competition between the 1st chapter and the 3rd chapter. 1st chapter and the 3rd chapter. That means that it can be there that in the exam you can have more or less ratio of 1st and 3rd. That can it can be that 1st can also carry more mark or 3rd can also be carrying more mark. Anything can happen. Okay, is it clear? So if I am observing
Yes,
the 2 recent sample papers, if I am observing that in one paper it is there that metals and non-metal is not carrying too much marks, but reaction and there's like one sample paper I send you now already in the group.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
In
ma'am.
that you
We
can
have
observe that chapter 1 is carrying more marks, and one more sample paper I am having in 2020, and in that metals and non-metals is carrying more mark. So there can be a up-down ratio between the 1st chapter and 3rd chapter. So what I am planning that after this these 2 chapters, I will take your 1st chapter revision. Okay, is it okay with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me share the first thing which I am. I will not waste too much time.
Ma'am, art integration is not there.
Yeah, I forgot
Chemistry.
to tell you. Art integration. Yeah, art integration project also you have to do, but it would not be done now. After pre-board only you have to submit, and you will do the comparative study of pH and composition of soil of in Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. Okay.
Ma'am, that much bus.
Yeah.
That much only, na?
Yes.
Compare बस करना है. Yes, ma'am.
कंपैरिजन. हाँ, तो आपको कंपैरिजन ऐसे तो सिंपली तो कंपैरिजन करके तो नहीं छोड़ दोगे ना. देयर विल बी इंट्रोडक्शन और समथिंग यू विल टेल अबाउट द गुड सॉइल, बैड सॉइल, पीएच, कंपोजिशन. एक स्टैंडर्ड सॉइल के अंदर क्या क्या होना चाहिए, and then you will move to the pH and composition of the soil of Chhattisgarh and what this soil is best for which type of crops, that you also write. And then you will move to the pH and composition of soil of Gujarat. In that you will tell about the composition of soil of Gujarat, and in that which type of crop it good for that particular soil. That type of thing you will tell. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Done now. And last one
Yes, ma'am.
thing also you have to write and submit in the PPT form, because you people are still not coming in physically. Okay, so better you make a PPT.
What we have to do?
PPT, PowerPoint. Okay, is it clear?
Ma'am, can you repeat it again? Because I have joined late, that's why.
बेटा आप लोग को आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है. दैट आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट यू विल मेक ऑन द पीएच एंड कंपोजिशन ऑफ सॉइल, and that you have to make a comparative one, and you have to take Chhattisgarh in comparison with Gujarat. Okay, you have to take Chhattisgarh in comparison with Gujarat. और मैंने स्पेशली गुजराती इसलिए क्यों लिखा है क्योंकि सीबीएसई की तरफ से पेयर स्टेट्स आते हैं कि कौन से स्टेट को किसके साथ पेयर करना है. तो यहाँ पे आपका छत्तीसगढ़ का कंपैरेटिव है गुजरात, तो आपको गुजरात के साथ ही पेयरिंग करनी पड़ेगी, और वहाँ के सॉइल और कंपोजिशन को आपको कंपेयर करके लिखना है कि वहाँ का सॉइल कैसा है, छत्तीसगढ़ का सॉइल कैसा है, वहाँ की सॉइल में कैसा मतलब क्रॉप्स अच्छा उग सकता है और छत्तीसगढ़ में कैसा क्रॉप अच्छा उग सकता है. बस. I don't want a history geography or this much thick file. A simple normal file. File means your PPT. Okay.
How many pages?
That
Around.
depends on your content. I am just telling that don't make a very large excess में मत बनाना. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Small and informative. That's it. Okay. So let's.
And then please send it to your email ID, na?
Yeah. But before telling me, after sending me, tell me, give me a message so that I can know that you have given me. Okay.
Okay.
So let's start. First, I will deal with the subjective part of acid, base, and salts. Okay. Okay. So here I told you before only कि आपको stress जो है अभी जो आपका ये जो revised portion है उसमें water of crystallization part हट गया है. Okay. Water of crystallization part हट गया, इसलिए मैंने वो part अभी touch नहीं किया है. Okay. Give more stress on pH. Stop and doing annotation. Who is doing this? Who is that? अब जो आपको जो स्ट्रेस देना है, you have to give more stress on the pH part and properties of acid. तो properties of acid में आपको ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. Properties, reaction of acid with metal, reaction of acid with base. Okay, and there is one more thing called as amphoteric metal oxide. Some metal oxides are reacting with acid and base. That thing you particularly give more stress. Okay, so coming back to this first question. There are 3 acidic solution A, B, C, having pH 0, 3 and 5 respectively.
Solution A has the highest concentration.
Wait. Don't go like this. I will be not asking you like this. Some people are here for only attendance or what? I can't see the unmute option. Yash? Yash, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer the first part? And please keep your video on. How many times I have to tell you? Anything will happen. My video is also on. You can also keep your video on. All of you keep your videos on. No reply. In that case, there will be no response. Okay, Yash, tell me. Yes, Darshan, good, very good. Viram also good. Why you have to hide your beautiful faces from me? All children are so beautiful, good looking. Isn't that? Chalo bhai, Yash, but batao. Yash, tell me, are you able to answer or not? Yash?
No, ma'am.
Okay, koi baat. Harsh, not there. Viram?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer of the first question. Only the one part, don't tell the whole part.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. Highest concentration of H plus ion. Ma'am, the solution C.
See, that means you are saying the pH.
No, sorry,
No,
solution. So solution A.
Solution A. Good. Okay, good, correct. Done. Good. आपका pH जो है, यश आर यू लिसनिंग? मैंने किसी को म्यूट पोजीशन में नहीं रखा है. इन बिटवीन आप कोई भी मेरे से आके क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. मैंने आपको म्यूट पोजीशन में नहीं रखा है. सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन. आपका जो pH है, pH इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू H प्लस आयन. pH जितना ज्यादा होगा, H प्लस आयन उतना कम होगा और एसिडिक नेचर भी उतना ही कम होगा. सो हियर मैंने क्या बोला? pH इज लेस. अगर pH जो है ज्यादा होगा तो H प्लस जो है वो कम हो जाएगा. Isn't that? pH is inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, huh? pH is inversely proportional to H plus ion. Wait. pH will be inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration, and that's why I asked you which will have the, see, pH is inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration. तो जाहिर सी बात है, जिसका pH ज्यादा होगा उसका H प्लस आयन कम होगा. इसलिए जिसकी pH ज्यादा है उसकी एसिडिक नेचर भी क्या होगी? ज्यादा होगी. सो ये pH कम होगा तो एसिडिक नेचर भी
कम होगा.
pH कम होगा तो एसिडिक नेचर ज्यादा होगा. pH ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो एसिडिक नेचर कम हो जाएगा. Is it clear? So this is the first key point for the pH. Okay, this is the first key point for the pH. That means agar pH is inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration, or you can also say that it is inversely proportional to acidic nature also. Now second thing, which solution has the lowest concentration of H plus ion? This thing, now Yash, can you tell me? I told you the hint. Yash, can you tell me the hint? Answer now. Yash, can you tell me the answer now? Yash,
Yes, ma'am.
now can you tell me the answer? Here the thing is written here on the board. And in the board you can see now, pH is inversely proportional to H plus ion. ठीक है, लिखा है ना मैंने, यहाँ दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
अब बताओ कि which solution will have the lowest concentration of H plus? Which solution will
Ma'am,
have
where
the,
is question?
which solution will have the lowest concentration of H plus?
मैम स्क्रीन शेयर हट गया है आपका, बोर्ड बस दिख रहा है.
अच्छा,
Yes, ma'am.
wait, huh? Not 10.
Ma'am, may I try?
Hmm?
Ma'am,
In the
pH of
slide.
5.
Ma'am,
pH of
5.
correct, good, now you got. Now next yes, I will give you chance from bottom to top. Next is Viram Sancheti. Viram, this person has not submitted his copy. Why so? And is not present also. Tanushri, beta किसी only 5-6 copies are up to date. Remaining copies either 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. They are you people all have given. Shreyansh,
yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Up, arrange the following in the increasing order of their pH value. अभी आपको मैंने एक स्लाइड में क्या लिखा था? pH is inversely proportional to acidic character. Isn't that?
Yes,
pH
ma'am.
is inversely proportional to acidic character.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't that? Darshan, yes, I will check. Wait, हाँ, Darshan, I will tell. So यहाँ आपको मैंने क्या बोला है कि pH जो है inversely proportional to acidic character होता है, यानी कि हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि pH is directly proportional to basic character. Isn't that? pH is directly proportional to basic character. So what will be the answer of this? What will be the answer of this?
Ma'am, blood, lemon juice and NaOH solution.
सबसे ज्यादा किसका होगा? सबसे ज्यादा किसका होगा? मुझे इतना
May I
बता.
tell?
Ma'am,
Who is
lemon
that?
juice. Ma'am,
Lemon
lemon
juice?
juice.
My goodness.
Ma'am, NaOH.
मैम
Who is that?
उसका होगा ब्लड का.
मैम ब्लड का होगा.
Blood नहीं, blood आपका basic नहीं होता इतना. Okay, first is lemon juice, then blood, then NaOH. NaOH is the strongest, one of the strongest alkali. Harshit, little bit mistake बेटा, NaOH सबसे ज्यादा होगा, then blood. Okay, is it clear? Really good, correct. Lemon juice, blood, and then NaOH. Correct है.
मैम ब्लड इज एसिडिक.
Yeah, it is not acidic. Little
Blood
bit
is not
slightly basic
acidic,
रहता है.
bro.
Slightly basic रहता है. एकदम 7 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर रहता है.
So NaOH is a basic solution.
Yes, NaOH is a strong base. हमारा blood जो है वो slightly basic होता है. आपका 100% basic जैसे poor base या ऐसा भी बोल ही सकते हैं. 7 से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा रहता है. Clear है?
Mild.
Mild बोल सकते हैं या very mild also you can. Okay, Nandika, your answer is also correct. Good. These 3 people have given the answer remaining. Okay. Name the acid and base which have constituted the salt of ammonium nitrate. Wait, now this will be answered by Shreyansh. Shreyansh. Shreyansh.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Answer the third question.
No.
You can send your answer through chat section. Yes, Sambha, what happened? What do you want to say? Samba,
Ma'am,
what
answer.
answer you want to say? Wait 1 second. I will give you the chance. Samba will tell you. Shreyansh, are you able to answer the question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Samba, you answer. Samba, answer.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ammonium hydroxide and nitric acid.
Very good. Very good. Can you tell me how you solve this? How you solved this? आप बता सकते आपने इसको सॉल्व कैसे किया? How you solve this?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, it is asking about a acid and a base constituting of. Ma'am, can you screen share the question?
Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate.
Nitrate. So and base will be ammonium hydroxide and acid will be nitric acid.
Okay. ठीक है. अभी अब listen श्रेयांश, ऐसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन अगर आएगा तो कैसे सॉल्व करना है? श्रेयांश, are you there? Sambhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, हाँ, wait. Sambhav, what happened? Yes, Sambhav. अब श्रेयांश
Yes,
listen here.
ma'am.
अब अमोनियम नाइट्रेट जैसा अभी जैसे मैंने आपको ये सॉल्ट बोला तो आपको ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा तो कैसे सॉल्व करना है? तो याद रखो किसी भी सॉल्ट के सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखते हैं? कैटायन, और उसके बाद क्या लिखते हैं? एनायन लिखते हैं. ये याद रखना, ये तो पता है, नॉर्मल सी चीज है. जैसे है ना, NaCl बोल दिया तो Na क्या है? कैटायन है, Cl जो है एनायन है. तो कोई भी सॉल्ट में हम कैटायन पहले लिखते हैं फिर एनायन लिखते हैं. तो कैटायनिक पार्ट देता है बेस और एनायनिक पार्ट देता है एसिड. ठीक है, इतना याद हो गया कि कोई भी सॉल्ट में दो हिस्से होते हैं, कैटायन और एनायन. द कैटायनिक पार्ट इज गिवन बाय द बेस, द एनायनिक पार्ट इज गिवन बाय द एसिड. इतना याद हो गया. अब आपको पता है, अब कुछ 4-5 कॉमन एसिड और बेस तो आपको याद ही होंगे ना, जैसे पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, है कि नहीं? ये सब तो याद है कि नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड हो गया, है ना, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड हो गया, ये सब क्या बेस. अभी आपसे मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा अमोनियम नाइट्रेट. अमोनियम नाइट्रेट मतलब NH4NO3, NH4NO3. तो अमोनियम नाइट्रेट आप एक नॉर्मल सा, और कॉमन एसिड कौन सा है? HCl है, HNO3 है, H2SO4 है, और HNO3 है, H2SO4 है, CH3 एसिटिक एसिड है, CH3COOH, और कार्बोनिक एसिड है. These are the common acid. Okay. So अब अमोनियम
ma'am.
नाइट्रेट, अमोनियम नाइट्रेट अभी इसको देख के समझ जाओ अमोनियम कौन से बेस से आया होगा? कौन से बेस से आया होगा?
अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड.
हाँ, अमोनिया. आप देखो अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एक
OH.
कॉमन. आप यही 4-5 बेस और एसिड का नाम याद रखोगे ना, ऐसे सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो इस टाइप के. अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड हो गया, MgOH हो गया, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, और कॉमन बेस जो आपके कोर्स में है,
पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड.
ये बस ये सब इन 4-5 को याद रखना और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. ये कितना हो गया? टोटल 5. ये टोटल 5 को भी रखो, याद रखोगे ना, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. अब ये देखो, ये अमोनियम कौन से बेस से आ रहा है? अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से. NO3 कहाँ से आ रहा है? नाइट्रिक एसिड से. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyansh, now can you answer me another question if I am giving you? Shreyansh, are you able to solve? Shreyansh,
Yes, ma'am.
now tell me what will be the answer of this. Okay. Shreyansh, tell me what are the acid and base involved in this? Magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate. Tell me what are the acid and base involved in this? Shreyansh, are you listening? बेटा आज मैं 2 क्लास इसलिए ली हूँ क्योंकि आज मुझे एजर्शन और रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन भी कराना है, तो प्लीज थोड़ा क्विक करो. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डील करके मैं एजर्शन क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगी. so that Monday at least you will just by heart this question and you will tell me the answer. Shreyansh, are you there or not?
MgHO2.
मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और CO3 कौन सा? CO3 कौन सा है? कौन से एसिड से आएगा?
H2CO3.
यस, क्या नाम है इसका? इस H2CO3 को हम क्या CO3 को क्या बोलते हैं?
हाइड्रोजन का
कार्बोनिक एसिड. कार्बोनिक एसिड क्या बोलते हैं? कार्बोनिक एसिड. ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
yes ma'am.
Okay, so this is the way how you are going to solve this salt part question. Okay, next, a chemical compound becomes hard on mixing proper quantity of water. Okay, this question number 4, this will be answered by Sanskar. Sanskar, are you there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, संस्कार है.
बिल्कुल कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
आप कहाँ भागी गया?
Wait,
अब तू आ ना, तू इधर तू आ.
who is that?
Viram.
मैम वीरम
Whoever is this, please.
वीरम संचेती है मैम. वीरम संचेती.
Like, keep it mute, everyone. Sanskar, are you able to answer or not, beta?
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
Sanskar.
ma'am.
Answer the fourth part, beta.
Ma'am, don't know.
Who is that next? Class 10th, one thing I am telling you, unless and until you are cooperating to me, with me, I will be not able to do anything for your class 10 board exams. You have to cooperate with me for your board exam. अगर आप prepare नहीं करोगे तो मैं यहाँ पे PPT बनाओ, यहाँ से question लाओ, वहाँ से question लाओ. What is the use of that? Unless and until you people are supporting me, you people should learn. Then only I can do anything now. Every time, last 2 क्लास से मैंने आपको बोला है बेटा कि पढ़ के आओ, but on leaving only few children, rest all no reply. Same condition, same track, you people are moving. Sambhav,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer the question
Yes,
number
ma'am.
4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Tell.
Ma'am, it is plaster of Paris.
Yes, plaster of Paris. And what happened? It is a chemical
Ma'am.
compound formula.
Ma'am, CaSO4 and half water.
And half water. Okay, wait, huh? Good. I will just give chance to the other person. He will tell me that. Yes, Moksh. 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 Moksh, are you there or not? Who is next? Riyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer the next part? Can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me what is the equation for if water is added to POP?
Ma'am, I know the chemical formula of POP,
Yes.
plaster of Paris, that is CaSO4 dot
CO?
half H2.
No, it is not CO.
CaSO4 dot half H2O.
Okay. Can't you write the equation for it?
Ma'am, I can try.
Okay. Wait. Please write and show me in on your screen. Rianchi, then who is there? Rishi? 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 Rishabh? Rishabh?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you write the equation for the addition of water on POP and can you show me on the screen? Write in a copy
In
and
the
show me.
screen, or I'll be writing in the chat.
Yeah? You just write where you are able to see. You just write on the screen, or sorry, not screen, in your copy. You write and show me in the video.
Ma'am, I cannot because my camera has that bandage, something tape on it, ma'am.
Viram. Okay.
Because some reason is
Okay. Viram, it is not visible, beta. CaSO4 half H2O plus. Good. Good. I can see it now. Okay. Little bit blur, but it is visible. Okay. Good. Correct. Done. One person had shown me. This should be your confidence level. I am not saying that you should write. Nandika, have you written
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Good, Viram. Keep it up.
I will show.
Punya. CaSO4 plus how much you have written? Keep it like this. Little bit here. Yes, correct. Good. It will. Yeah. Good. Correct. Good. Punya has also shown me. Good, beta. Done. Only 2 people have this much confidence to show me the answer. Remaining, what you people are doing? Huh? Rakshita, still not over? Mehul. Very good. Done, Mehul. Done. Good. Only few people are like that. So I will not push too much. Moksh, also you want to show the answer? Okay. So here what it is next. अब ये आपका है. The correct answer is CaSO4. Millie, yes, good. Good, Rianshi. Good. I can see. Very nice. Good. Okay. So this is the most of you people are knowing this answer. As I told you, this is some of the main part questions. Kushi, that wait, Nandika, just wait. You want to show? Nandika, show to me. Nandika. Where is she? Nandika. Are you able to show, Nandika? No. Darshan. Yes, Darshan, good. I can see yours. Okay. It is not 1H2O, it is 1.5 H2O. Moksh, it is 1.5 H2O. Okay. Is it clear? Done. So good. Most of you have shown. Nandika, you also have to show. You want to show or not? Harsh? Correct. It is 2H2O. It is not CHO, it is 2H2O. Okay? 2H2O. Either you can write in the complete molecular form or you can write in half H2O form also. Okay, Harsh. Done. Good, but I can see it now. Okay. Now let's moving back to the next topic. Okay. So the next question is two solution A and B have pH 3 and 10. Which of these will turn blue litmus solution to red? Okay. This will be answered by Purab. 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 Purab, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer that as a fifth question.
Ma'am, question number.
Fifth. Five.
Ma'am, don't know.
Nandika, answer the question. Nandika. Nandika.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the fifth part.
Ma'am, the solution A will turn blue litmus into red because its pH is 3 and it means that it is acidic in nature.
Yes, correct. Good. अब ये जो है मैं I will just आपका 10 minutes का break दे रही हूँ. In the next class I will ask you assertion question also. ये पूरी question आज complete करेंगे. Assertion question का मैं Google form test लूंगी और एक case study question करवाऊंगी. Okay? So take a 5 minutes break. Then again come back to log into this class only. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? सबको clear है? I am talking to class 10th. Am I audible? Okay, 5 minutes का break लो. 5 minutes का break लो. तब तक मैं then I will start the another class and in that we will do practice assertion questions. Done? Is it clear? So I am ending the class here. Take 5 minutes break. Okay, no issues. Got it. So I am ending the class for now. Okay. After 5 minutes, log into this class only.